Have you been going to the gym non-stop but not seeing much progress? It's likely that you aren't getting the most of your workouts. Greetings and welcome back to Bestie, viewers. We're all aware of how exhausting exercising can be. The struggle is genuine, as evidenced by the painful muscles and sweating aftermath. Despite the widespread belief that there can be no gain without pain, there can be some hidden benefits. We'll teach you about the top gym hacks in today's video. Watch until the end to discover about all of the techniques, which include chilling your water, avoiding the locker room, foam rolling, utilizing multiple blender bottles, playing your favorite music, and much more. Keep workouts to 30 to 40 minutes long. Although there is a desire to spend a lot of time at the gym, the benefits of working out for longer than 30 to 40 minutes actually decrease. You'd have to tone it down to last that long. Exercise at a higher intensity for a shorter period of time is preferable. How long do you usually spend working out each day? Tell us right away in the comments box below. Freeze your wrist wraps or knee sleeves. Freeze your wrist wraps and knee sleeves. This hack is perfect for you if your wrist wraps or knee sleeves smell like the locker room after a high school football game. Actually, to address the aromatic issue, you may always put them in the washing machine or soak them in a little vinegar solution. But that results in some additional wear and tear, which is easily preventable. After 2 hours, remove the wrap from the freezer. You'll be shocked to learn that they won't even smell. You will still perspire, so it might not be a long-term remedy, but it is a simple, fast repair. The same trick applies to your gym gloves as well. Freeze your water with intelligence. Put your water in freezer. A water bottle is a need for any gym backpack. Don't you really detest it, though, when you reach for the water bottle and it feels more like a swig of tea? It's really warm. If you detest sipping warm water during your workouts and don't want to spend money on a thermo bottle, we offer the ideal solution. Your bottle should be partly filled and left in the freezer overnight. Then, just grab it and fill the remaining space with new water before you go for the gym. Throughout your workout, cool water will be available to you. Ignore the ritual of using the locker room. Ignore the ritual of the locker room. Many of us spend a significant amount of time in the gym's locker room. Imagine this scenario. You go to the bathroom, get dressed for exercise, and then you go to work out. After that, you immediately return to the locker room to shower, wash, and blow dry your hair before moisturizing your body and putting on clothes. Reducing the amount of time you spend in the locker room will free up a bit more time for exercise. Alternatively, it can help you finish your workout sooner and get on with the rest of your day. Make sure you have everything you need in your well-stocked workout bag. Even if it takes doing it just before you leave the office, try to change into your training attire and take a toilet break before you arrive at the gym. If you're really pressed for time, consider devoting your post-workout shower to a fast wipe down once you get home. Searching for information about the newest developments in health and wellness? Click that subscribe button to become one of our millions of fans. Keep up with all of our fantastic Bestie stuff. Begin with a hobby or interest you enjoy. Begin with a favorite object. Choose the portion of your workout that most excites you to begin once you've warmed up. Enjoy performing crunches? Prior to hitting the machines, strike the mat. Have a passion for dancing? Go to a group class first, then do some yoga or lift weights. It will spur you on to the upcoming duties. Play the music you love. Play the music you love. All of us enjoy listening to music. However, did you realize that it might actually enhance the caliber of your exercise? Research indicates that listening to music while exercising improves your performance, especially when doing repeated tasks like jogging. Additionally, it can create the appearance that things are going easier for you, which will encourage you to put in more effort. Utilize medical tape to prevent clothing from taking off. Apply medical tape to prevent clothing from soaring. Working out is a serious endeavor. Additionally, doing full-body exercises like burpees and mountain climbers occasionally require you to get down and dirty. However, you can have your sportswear flying all over your face from all that floor work. Most of us probably would like a less exposing workout unless we're aiming for a good set of abs. Using medical tape to hold your garments in place is a clever idea. Because of its resistance to perspiration, you don't have to worry about it coming off when working out. It's also inexpensive and accessible at most pharmacies. Work out if your sleep pattern is regular. Do the following between 2:30 and 8:30 p.m. Exercise. The ideal time to train is in the late afternoon or early evening, between 2:30 and 8:30 p.m. According to studies, this is the best time because of the body's core temperature and circadian rhythm. Having said that, knowing when your resting heart rate peaks will provide you with an even more tailored recommendation. Find out and use that time to work out at the gym. Create your own fat handles. You're probably familiar with grip-specific tools if you've ever worked out at a semi-hardcore build-your-own fat grips facility, or if you work in the strength and conditioning industry. You could just manufacture your own, so why waste your money? Enter the pool noodle as an example of how to extend the radius of the object you're trying to grasp to improve your grip. The simplest approach for any exercise. It's not novel, ostentatious, or costly by any means, but it does the job. Try a few different brands of noodles. Some are denser than others. See which one works best for you. Honestly, you might as well make excellent use of them since your kids probably won't use them much. Frequently foam roll. Frequently foam roll. One excellent method of myofascial relief is foam rolling. However, there is a great deal of ambiguity and contradicting information in the fitness sector on the optimal timing for foam rolling, before or after an exercise. For this reason, the greatest way to increase mobility is to foam roll both before and after a workout. Foam rolling can hurt, but in a nice kind of manner, so be aware of that. You can increase the efficiency of your motions by saying, "Damn it," and "Ouch," for just 10 minutes. Get your smoothie ready for after the workout in advance. In times of limited time, it can be alluring to make your smoothie for after the workout in advance and omit a few essential parts of your exercise regimen. But a crucial component of fitness is recuperation. The night before, prepare your post-workout food, such as a smoothie made with berries, oats, yogurt, milk, almonds, and seeds. Simply take it out of the refrigerator to replenish before you go to the gym. Fill your gym backpack with tea bags. After working out, it can be disastrous to put your stinking shoes in your suitcase. Stuff everything inside your gym bag with tea bags. Although it's a workable option, washing your exercise backpack can be a bother. Using shoe balls that have been deodorized for your shoes is the greatest solution to this issue. Alternatively, you could DIY it and put tea bags in your shoes. Tea bags smell good and will absorb the moisture. Before you fill your exercise bag to the brim, you can also place a dryer sheet inside. The dryer sheet will absorb all bad odors from your bag in addition to adding a pleasant scent. To keep things fresh, just remember to swap out the sheet every other day. In addition to helping you get rid of stinky shoes, regular tea consumption has numerous other advantages. Watch 14 Reasons You Should Drink Black Tea Every Day to find out more. Let's return to the topic of incredible gym hacks you should know. Make use of several blender bottles. Make use of several blender bottles. You can save time and effort by preparing several bottles for the day. Use one for your pre-workout smoothie, another for protein and carbohydrates throughout your workout, and maybe a third for your shake afterward. It's okay if some people choose not to take supplements before, during, or after their workouts. But when it comes to gaining weight, the great majority of Americans are devoted to the notion that supplements constitute the last component. Because of this, using several blender bottles comes in handy on a busy day. Online, look for cardio machine hack codes. Look for online hacks for cardio equipment. The cardio machines at most gyms are programmed to only run for 30 to 60 minutes at a time so that other members can use them during busy times. But having a machine shut off might be disastrous if you're training for an endurance race or just need to get in a long run. Be aware that a quick Google search will yield the codes needed to bypass the time limit for each machine. Make sure no one is waiting if you decide to extend the time. Spray deodorant rather than a stick. Instead of using a stick, use deodorant spray. God be praised for deodorant. When used prior to exercise, deodorant helps to prevent the production of sweat and body odor. However, the last thing you want when working up a sweat is for your deodorant to make you feel even more sticky. Choose deodorant sprays rather than sticks. You'll feel a lot drier in addition to not having to deal with the embarrassment of having white streaks all over your workout attire. Sports-focused companies offer cooling or antiperspirant deodorant sprays for an extra refreshing post-workout feeling. Even though these gym tricks might undoubtedly make your life easier, they are meaningless if you don't exercise. which is what you should be doing in the gym. Additionally, some activities have the power to transform your body in a short amount of time. Watch this to find out more. With these 7 exercises or these 11 CrossFit exercises that will change your body in 30 days, you can get rid of love handles fast. So if you desire a powerful body, watch one or both of the videos. How frequently do you visit the gym? Tell us in the space provided for comments below.